Hi, my name is cjshowalter, and today I'd like to show you how I plan on doing memory work at home with my children for classical conversations. This is something new for this year. Last year I was a foundations tutor, and I had made a trifold board, but I'm not going to be a foundations tutor this year, and my board had been used for 2 years, so I decided that it was worn out and I got rid of it. I threw it away. So instead of having a trifold board at home, I'm going to use this clipboard instead. So this is really compact and I can put on a bookshelf, so it'd be really easy to store. And this is a clipboard I got that has a hinge on the bottom. They also make this style that has a hinge on the top, but that's not how I wanted to use it. I wanted to be able to flip the lid up like this and keep it up. And keep it up with this telescoping thing that I have. I just happen to have this. So so that's how I'm going to prop it open like this. And inside I have my pages that I'm going to be using dry erase on. So I have one page per subject and they're double-sided. So I've got 4 sheets in here with all the subjects. And I even put little magnets inside here so that they can attach to this metal part up here with the magnet instead of having to clip it in every time. So I'm going to have 4 kids in foundations for the first time, because last year I just had 2 in foundations. My littlest boys, well, my youngest just turned 4, so I need something that's going to be really quick and easy and hold their attention, right? So I'm going to be able to flip subjects very quickly if they lose interest in the repetitions. So this will be really easy to flip it out, and then I can also take the pages and put them on the floor and have them all spread out and then flip them over and so forth, and it'll be really easy to use. I'm going to use the storage part for our maps. So this is one of the map that I have made. It's basically 11 by 17, except I trimmed the edges and I put it in these page protectors. So I have 4 of these inside of my clipboard so we can be able to do our geography words. Where is it? Here it is. So I have the geography words here, and then we could actually find them on the map here, and I can either clip it onto here and point to it, or have them do dry erase on the floor or something. We'll figure it out. So this is how I'm gonna hopefully do our memory work this year. And then when we're done, I can just store it away. And I like the versatility of this because I can put it on a tabletop, or I can put it on the floor, or I'm planning on putting it in front of my TV. Or we can take it outside or do it other places, and it's very transportable. I also customized it. I sew. This is knit fabric, like t-shirt fabric, because it needs to be able to be stretched. So I made these pockets. So these ones are my mini timeline cards in here, in the small pocket. And then this bigger pocket behind can fit a standard size timeline card, or I have the artists and composers cards, so they can fit in here when it's time for those. So everything fits in for doing memory work at home, and that's it. So hopefully this will last a long time and I'll get a lot of use out of it. So I just thought this was a neat idea, and I've never seen it on the internet before, so that's why I wanted to post this video today. So enjoy.